This one's going to be very short because I'm just going to make a correction. The video where I was talking about the higher truth and those kinds of things, and I was talking about God giving himself human characteristics at various times. Well, I put two stories together. The point was still the same and it's still valid, but when God said that to Moses about he was going to kill all the Israelites and just start over with Moses, he didn't say he repented of making man in that particular situation. That was much earlier in Genesis 6, where there's evil all over the world and everybody's evil and wicked, and God says he repents of making man. Again, just want to clarify that. I don't want anybody to go, oh, that's not where he didn't say he repented of making man when he was talking to Moses, and he did not. The point is the same, though. When God gives himself human characteristics, because let's think about this for just a second. If God really changed his mind about making man, then our hope is completely lost. Because if God changed his mind because things weren't working out the way he thought they were going to work out or anything like that, what's to stop him from changing his mind again? Oh, well, I've changed my mind. In whatever fashion or whatever way he wanted to. If he couldn't see the end from the beginning, because that would be the only reason that you would change your mind, is you thought it was going to go this way, but it went that way. And you change your mind and you say, well, I don't want to, I've changed my mind. We're going to do something different. Well, clearly, that brings so many other things into it if that were true. And again, God would not be God. He would be, as I've said to you many times, God is not a little better version of you. And if he couldn't figure out how things were going to go, and he couldn't see the end from the beginning and tell the end from the beginning, then where is our hope? Well, I sure hope that God doesn't change his mind again. I sure hope that he doesn't think that way now. There has to be an assurance that God is God. And he's able to do that which he said he's able to do. Okay? Ponder these things. Like I say, I just want to make that one correction, because I don't ever want anybody thinking, oh, well, he's just making up stories. So, okay, I love you all.